The first thing we need is Node because we're going to use the Node Package Manager or NPM to install the TypeScript compiler. I believe as a student of this course, you should have it in your machine, but if not, you should go to nodejs.org and download the latest version. Once you do that, then open a terminal window and run npm. That's short for Node Package Manager, which we're going to use for installing third-party packages. In this case, it's TypeScript. Then we type I, that is short for install, -G for installing it globally so we can access TypeScript in every folder. And now we type the name of the package. Now, if you're in Mac or Linux, you will get a permission error while running this command. You have to prefix it with sudo. Basically, that means super user do. Let's go ahead and install the TypeScript compiler. Now, to verify our installation, we type tsc-v. And now we have successfully installed TypeScript.